OMG Nation? So today's episode is about something a little different. I got a phone call the other day. Actually, I received a text message the other day from a guy that I know from my wrestling days that I traveled the roads with, and he said one of our good friends had passed away. The gentleman's name was Paula Adams. He started off his career as a referee in the independent world and then quickly moved on to being a manager, where his true talents and brilliance showed through. This man's in-ring psychology for professional wrestling, he was what they call in the wrestling business a heat magnet. What that means, if you don't understand what a heat magnet is, as a professional wrestler, if you can go out and upset the crowd and make them mad, that's called getting heat. And Paul Adams was a genius at getting heat. The first part of my career, I was a tag team wrestler, and when I made the transition from tag team wrestling to singles wrestling, it's a whole different ball of wax. Paul was my manager, my in-ring manager, and we became really good friends. He had some demons that he was constantly battling. I have not heard exactly what happened. I just heard that maybe a maintenance worker or someone at his apartment that he lived in found him, and they thought maybe he had been passed away for a day or so. I spoke to him about 3 days before that, just chatting about the wrestling business, and then he was telling me about some other stuff. He's telling me about something wild, and I kind of sent back, what in the world are you talking about? And he didn't respond. So I'm assuming that that's part of the demons that were that he was battling. Paul was a good dude, and he's one of those guys that would do anything for you. If he knew you, if he halfway liked you, he'd do anything for you. If he really liked you, and he considered you to be one of the people in his inner circle, in his mind, you were like family to him. Maybe some of you guys will understand this, and maybe some of you guys won't. I want to do a little montage dedicated to him. It's really the only way I know how to honor him. He was very instrumental in my wrestling career, and always a great dude to me. So Paul, this is for you. Rest in peace, brother. today's episode was a short episode. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. I will see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone.